proteins have been associated with strength and meat have been associated with protein. Yes, meat is a rich source of protein, but so are other products like milk, eggs, milk products, legumes, vegetables and grains. You do not agree with me? Well, there's no wonder in that kind of thought, because this has been fed to our brains by various websites, popular magazines, gym instructors and so on. But all these claims regarding proteins and their supplements and non-food related sources of proteins or excessive intake of protein have been unfounded. Today we'll be touching this topic, and I'll be also talking about protein related to weight management and protein related supplements. Proteins are compounds which are made from amino acids. Amino acids can be essential or non-essential. Essential ones are those which are not formed by our body and are needed to be fed to the body from outside sources in food, and non-essential ones are those which can be made by the body. Why we need proteins? We need proteins because they are building blocks of our body. They also are used for many other purposes, like as enzymes, as hormones, as transport proteins, as body fluid regulators, acid-base regulators, in defense, building defense system of our body against all the viral attacks or any offending attack of a microbe, and for clot formation in the body. They are also used for energy purposes, but that is not their primary role in the body. And many other functions it performs in our body which are very vital to our survival. What is the RDA of the recommended dose of these proteins? In a healthy adult, around 0.8 grams per kg per day, and slightly higher than this for infants, children, pregnant women and athletes. If an athlete is an endurance athlete, then their daily recommended dose of proteins is around 1.2 to 1.6 grams per kg per day, and slightly higher for those who lift weights. If these proteins are taken in excess of the recommended daily dose, do they do some benefit to the body? No. They can do harm? Yes. They can lead to heart diseases, they can lead to cancers, kidney diseases, weight gain also, and many other problems. For many reasons, these proteins are popped in. Are they all founded? No. I will talk about weight first. Protein-rich diet is also rich in fats. So in giving longevity to weight loss, it might fail. Similarly, when you take diet highly rich in protein and not adequate in fats and carbs, the proteins would be used for energy purposes, which is not their primary role in the body, and the other roles would get defeated. So it's better to depend on food which is more balanced. Balance is the right way of having food, having balanced proteins, carbs and fats, and using carbs and fats primarily for energy purposes, not the fats. Coming to the supplements. All these supplements available in the market are taken in for muscle building, for growing good hair, good nails, or skin, having good skin, or combating problems like insomnia, anxiety, depression. There are many other purposes these are popped on for. But all these purposes they are taken in for are also unfounded. There are certain problems associated with these protein supplements as well. Firstly, they are not well digested by our body. Secondly, they are expensive. Thirdly, they can lead to an imbalanced environment inside. They can create an imbalance in our internal environment. How? They can lead, they are basically available in form of amino acids which are available in them in these protein supplements in various compositions. They may lead to excess of some and because the substrates will be used in digesting those, can be used for, can lead to deficiency of some. So an internal imbalance also can be created, which can lead to toxicity or deficiency. And of course, they are not well digested by our body, no matter how much claims are given for this. But they are not well digested by our body. So the best way of managing your weight is, or health, is by having a balanced diet which is adequate in protein, has some fat, good fat, and abundant energy from carbohydrates, good carbohydrates of course. This kind of food should be also complemented by an active lifestyle, and that would give you health and would help you better in managing a healthy weight. Thank you.